Hi guys, welcome to the Chef's Backyard. In this video, I want to show you my brand new grill. That's right, from Monument Grills, this is the Mesa 400 4-burner, their newest piece of equipment, and you'll have a chance to win one. Let's put it together. All right guys, so this is the newest grill from Monument Grills. It's called the Mesa 400. Let's open the box and see what's in it. So that looks like it's where the propane tank goes. There they are. Here's the instructions. Stop. Call us first. Don't return to the store. All right, so I like how they've got it packaged. There's that see-through glass, but they have everything nicely packaged in boxes. So I'm going to start looking through the parts and we'll start working through it, okay? All right, so the first box had a few parts and accessories, but it had the wheels. The wheels are pretty cool. They've got a little locker on them right there. They've got a lock to keep them from rolling right there. Really cool stuff. Let's put it in place. Ooh, did you hear that? So it looks like your next step is to put the side panels on, and they're in this box. Another thing that's going to make this assembly really easy is they've got the screws already in place for you, okay? So you're just unscrewing them and putting the parts in the right spot. All right, so you've got a box that has some screws, parts, batteries for your lights, and other things. So these are the screws that I need for the next step. And the way they've set this up is really cool. You see that? So all you got to do is like halfway screw out the screw, and then you slide this in place and then clamp it down. Pretty awesome. Good job, Monument Grills. All right, so let me show you how to use these guys, okay? So we have the screw in place, and then you're just gonna put the panel over it and let that slide down into place. And you can get your other screws and put them in place. And you want to start those by hand. You don't want to cross thread it, right? Let's go to the other side. You have a good angle on that. And we'll just screw that guy in. Tighten it up a little bit. Same thing there. And so quickly you've been able to put that together. Let's go on to the next step. All right, so we've got the cabinet put together. It already feels pretty sturdy. There's some nice supports here in the corner. And now it's time to lift the grill onto the cabinet. And it looks like we're gonna screw it in right there. Oh yeah, and it just lines right up, snapped right in. That was cool. All right, and now that I have all 4 screws, I'll go back around and tighten them up. Man, that's pretty. All right, so now we're on to the next step. All right, guys, so we're putting together the Monument Grills Mesa 400. Check it out. So over here, it's got the see-through glass. It's got your temperature gauge. Side, you can see the gas lines. We've already put on the shelves, right? It's got a left shelf. And on the right side, it's got a gas burner. So now we just need to install the burner. And oh, it looks like I got a couple more screws to put on. But again, this is the Mesa 400 from Monument Grills. Hi guys, in this video, I want to show you my Mesa 400 grill. This is from Monument Grills. It's got some great features on it. This grill is stunning. It's got some fantastic features. Again, this is the Mesa 400. It's got porcelain coated cast iron cooking grids. They're large cooking space that offers easy cleaning and a durable scratch resistant finish. Another feature that's super cool is it's got a stainless steel firebox and flame tamers. These are your flame tamers, guys. So it's full stainless construction, offers internal heat retainment and low external heat transfer. It has a high efficiency main burner. Look at that. Man, plenty of heat. And then you got the shield going over it, and then the grill is low to the grill. So it's going to be definitely a great cooking experience. And they just slide right in. Another great feature that this grill has is it's got the clear view, tempered glass viewing window that can withstand high heat. inside the grill and allows a fun view of what's cooking inside. It's got an extra large center gauge, which makes knowing the precise grill temperature easy. It also comes with this great warming rack, so that way you can hold your cooked foods up here while it's warm. Another great feature of the Mesa 400 is the high efficiency side burner. This is a 12,000 BTU high power side burner, which allows you to perfectly simmer and stir fry with ease. And to top that off, it's got these great high-tech control knobs that are designed with rubber outer grips and a bright blue LED light for a cool effect anytime. Again, this is the Monument Grill's Mesa 400. And look at that, it's got some great storage inside, room for your propane tank, and then there's your battery box, that's for your lights. And it's got a little storage here for your grilling tools. This grill was easy to put together. I took my time with it so that I got it right, and it took me less than 2 hours. Again, that's a sharp looking grill. Thank you, Monument Grill.